Hey, Nathaniel from ProMAX here. If you've checked out ProMAX platform, you probably know we've got some software options. One of those software options, if you check it out in our pricing calculator, is ProMAX Transcoder. So what is that? What does it do? Well, I'm going to jump into my ProMAX platform here and show you this GoPro Prep platform space. I set this up. I do a lot of our blogs, a lot of our videos, and sometimes I use a GoPro to shoot those. And as you probably know, working with that footage is awful, right? So I like to prep that footage as just ProRes proxy. It's web delivery, it's down and dirty stuff. So I want that to be ProRes proxy, not the MP4s that the GoPro shoots. So let's go into this space. So I'm gonna go to the properties of this, and I've already got Transcode space enabled. And what that does is a couple things. I'll go and show you in the GoPro Prep space. I've got 4 folders here: Transcode in, out failed, out source, and out success. So all I need to do once I have this transcoder set up is I can just take footage, drag and drop that into the transcode in, and then as you can see, that triggers a transcode on that space. Now while that's transcoding, I will show you how you can set those properties. So once I have that enabled, you can just go to Transcoder and you can pick your standard encoder and your red encoder. So if you've got red footage coming in and you want that all as DNX HD or ProRes or whatever that is, you can set it up this way. Like I said, this is just my GoPro footage. It doesn't need to be fancy. So I've got it set to ProRes proxy, source to source. So whatever the aspect ratio is coming in, it's going to output that same aspect ratio. So now we can go back and we will probably see that transcode is done. So now I can go into my ProMAX platform space here, go into that transcode out, and there's my GoPro footage as an MOV ProRes file. It's really that simple. What this allows you to do is take any transcoding, any media prep off of your local workstation and put that onto the centralized server. So it's a great add-on for your ProMAX platform. If you don't already have that, check it out.